The American English pronunciation of the 50 U.S. states. Alabama, Alabama. Alaska, Alaska. Arizona, Arizona. Arkansas, Arkansas. California, California. Colorado, Colorado. Connecticut, Connecticut. Delaware, Delaware. Florida, Florida. Georgia, Georgia. Hawaii, Hawaii. Idaho, Idaho. Illinois, Illinois. Indiana, Indiana. Iowa, Iowa. Kansas, Kansas. Kentucky, Kentucky. Louisiana, Louisiana. Maine, Maine. Maryland, Maryland. Massachusetts, Massachusetts. Michigan, Michigan. Minnesota, Minnesota. Mississippi, Mississippi. Missouri, Missouri. Montana, Montana. Nebraska, Nebraska. Nevada, Nevada. New Hampshire, New Hampshire. New Jersey,
Yum yum. Yum yum.
New Jersey. New Mexico, New Mexico. New York, New York. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now. North Carolina, North Carolina. North Dakota, North Dakota. Ohio, Ohio. Oklahoma, Oklahoma. Oregon, Oregon. Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania. Rhode Island, Rhode Island. South Carolina, South Carolina. South Dakota, South Dakota. Tennessee, Tennessee. Texas, Texas. Utah, Utah. Vermont, Vermont. Virginia, Virginia. Washington, Washington. West Virginia, West Virginia. Wisconsin, Wisconsin. And Wyoming, Wyoming. If you'd like to improve your English speaking skills, you can click on the link below to check it out. Thanks.